Hi everyone, this is Gabriel Norah, and we have Carlos Caridad here with me, and we're going to share a little bit about this beautiful Zen retreat, the healing retreat that we will have in Mount Shasta. So we have like a daily program for you. It's a combination of meditation, yoga, hatha yoga, sound healing, breath work, also a lot of hiking. Also, we will go and discover Mount Shasta together, the hidden spots, the like the waterfalls, and also the lake. And we will go on a daily program with vegan food. We'll do some movement tapping. I will share some hypnosis work. Carlos will do a daily meditation, daily morning meditation, and the afternoon we will do a group healing. Very effective. We'll have dinner together, and the surprise is I'll bring my Spanish guitar here, and we'll sing along, with me all together. I'll bring my iPad, so we'll have the lyrics, and we'll enjoy at 8 p.m. every night. Musical moment. Music is very important for us. And it's an improvisation. We can dance, we can put music. You can bring your instruments too, book anything you would like to share with the group. It's a moment also where people, get together, and conscious people get together. This retreat is a very high level retreat. I would say all the people who are joining are really, called to be there. So that's why no forcing at all, and that's why we made it very affordable, just to have quality people and also make it easy for everyone to join. Hi, Carlos.
No, what I wanted to mention that we have been planning or programming this for a long time, and one of the things that we want to highlight is that it's not only the high quality retreat, the great value that you're going to receive, but it's very affordable. When we were comparing with other things, other people who do other kind of retreat, and I don't want to put down any other, but I see the healing value, and there is a huge difference with what we are going to offer and the very affordable price. And one of the things that I am really happy that we found this is a dream. The house that we rented is really a dream. Actually, I will show some pictures, but why don't we go through the program and we read a little bit. So go ahead, you read the first aid.
So just to go back to the house, this house is very bougie, very stylish, very luxurious, and very feng shui. So I think we couldn't find better. The universe is really, offering us beautiful gifts. So this house we will be all together, but also there's a lot of, private rooms. So, and different bathrooms, so you will have your privacy. And also we have a beautiful view, and the outdoor is really interesting. So we will start our day. So you arrive on day 1, which is May 9th. And this is the check-in. So check-in 6 p.m. I would say 6-ish, depending if you are driving from California, or, like me, I will take, a flight from Texas to join. So arrival, you will have refreshment, tea, we'll do the introduction. So we will have probably a sunset vegan buffet by the chef, and, just connecting with the house, connecting with the energy, mingling with the group, and discovering your room, take a shower and rest. So this is the first day when you arrive. The second day, the 10th, so here we start the adventure. Morning meditation with Carlos.
Yes, what I wanted to say is not everybody is used to meditate. So I'm going to guide the meditation. It's going to be just 30 minutes. And the reason we are adding this is, over the years, many of my clients have been asking me, I want to meditate. I want to meditate. And it's difficult to start meditating by yourself. So if the participants never meditated, this is just a way to instill or to have the experience on their own, and they can keep practicing. The meditations are very easy. and even I'm going to include pranayamas, which is a deep form of meditation. So it's 30 minutes is you don't have to be obligated to do it, but I encourage you to try it at least one day. So we are going to do this 30 minutes meditation every day.
And then we have Hatha Yoga.
Hatha Yoga is important. We have this very interesting lady that is coming with us. Morning Hatha Yoga, breakfast, brunch, excursions. So we can. Gabriel, you know Mount Shasta. I've never been there.
I love Mount Shasta, and I cannot wait to bring all the people together and go. And I know where we can find those hikes, and we can cross the river. The water is not very and there is like some spot that is really nothing, but
Shallow.
Definitely bringing extra shoes with you, because we're gonna cross the river at some point just to see the waterfall from the other side and get closer to it. Definitely I'm keeping a lot of surprises, like a specific guided hypnosis to connect with the telos, because we'll be at Mount Shasta, and there is a lot of presence in that mountain, spiritual presence and very strong energy there. Then we'll have so during the day, actually it's a meditation, yoga. You will have a brunch, like a strong breakfast, with like juicing, smoothies, and also some num-nums, some vegan yummy stuff. We are not really focusing, I would say, on the food, because it's a kind of retreat, so don't expect burgers and fries and pizza. So it's gonna be more like soup, salad, and a lot of like quinoa and so yummy stuff that we're gonna discover. Carlos gonna do his like famous avocado mint chocolate, and that's why I'm doing this retreat actually. And we will do dinner all together, and we will sing and have fun and dance and put some music.
Now you say that we are going to sing. I would love to hear you playing your guitar.
Right now, okay.
Yeah, right now. And you have the singing bowls behind you too.
Oh, yeah.
So, just a short thing.
C'est une chanson qui nous ressemble, toi qui m'aimais, toi qui m'aimais, et nous vivions tous deux ensemble, toi qui m'aimais, moi qui t'aimais.
I love your French song. Lately, I've been listening to some French songs related to all the situation in the world, because we have more connection. So this is beautiful. We are going to try to do this every day. So I see in day 3 is almost the same program, but
yeah, we're gonna start. So it's the program. I would say. So what I did is I put a structure so people, there's no. I would say we'll have a lot of surprises, but at least they will have breakfast, they have brunch, they will have meditation, they will have yoga, and again we are very flexible on the group and the energy of the group. And what I usually do retreats, and you, Carlos, did different retreats on the internationals, like Egypt and other places. I did in Morocco, in France, in Beirut, and North Africa. I mean, the thing is, we have to adapt with the group, and this is what we will do if some people are more, feeling some emotions or stuff. So all the activities are optional, I would say. If someone is feeling like some emotions and would like to stay at the home and rest, they could, and we will go for the hike. I know that some hikes in Mount Shasta, are very high, I would say, and some people could feel dizzy, which is, we will understand. And as we are two facilitator, someone could stay with a small group, and we will do some mindfulness exercises, mental imagery. This is what I put here: some movement, qigong, breath work, sound treatment, or deep hypnosis, or past life regression. So there's a bunch of programs that we program, but I would say we also are open to adapt, to the group. So this is day 3.
So one of the things that I was suggesting, Gabriel, or Gabriel, is that one day, probably the last day, to do a kind of satsanga, or is something you can ask about any subject you want, and I will try to give our best answer. And always related to healing, because all of us, including both of us, we all need some kind of healing. But I'm pretty sure that the participants, that we have specific reasons, and you can be honest or open and ask for whatever you want. And we're going to try to answer with the knowledge, the healing knowledge that we have. So in the day 3, you mentioned the waterfall.
Yes. Oh, these are beautiful. So definitely we'll go there. So that's why I was mentioning, when people like start calling me and asking me questions, I was like, probably it's better to rent a car from the airport. So at least you will be free and flexible, because from Sacramento to Mount Shasta, and we will put all the details in the email, there's 3 hours driving. So if you are 2 people coming, it's good to rent a car and share the gas. So you could drive 3 hours from Sacramento to Mount Shasta. And in Mount Shasta, you could use the car with us, because I'm flying, so I don't have a car, but maybe I will rent a car. So we are just now bringing people together and figuring out, who's driving, who's, participating. So this is the day 3. Day 4, as you mentioned, Carlos, it's really interesting to put all the questions, and they can write them on a paper, like an unknown paper, and we can read it, so we don't know who answered the questions, and we can put it, in a box or in a corner, so people put their questions, we read them, we answer all the questions. And again, you guys gonna channel a lot of informations during Carlos' meditation, during the work that you will do with me, with the sound, with the different, so I cannot bring the gong and all those big instruments, but I will bring amazing sounds with me, like those guys. And they are beautiful. I don't know if the sound is okay. Awesome.
The sound
probably will bring with me a couple of those sounds. Yeah, not the big one that you can stand in it. This one is beautiful, but probably later on, this is the beginning of probably a series of retreats. And the reason why we made it very affordable is just to cover the cost and for you to join and discover, connect with us, and building up from there.
Gabriel, another thing that I wanted to mention for people who come from Los Angeles, because all my clients are from this area, we can carpool. So this is another possibility that we are going to talk about as people are signing up. And we have half of the spot already taken.
Yes. So the day 4, so we'll do a lot of stuff. People can participate also on the juicing, learning more recipes, stuff that they can take with them, and also it's a shift. It's a mind, like wherever you are in your evolution, you're gonna step into the other level. This is what I share when I have clients. They would say, I would like to work on my self-confidence or self-esteem, or I have fears, or sometimes I have anxiety. I would say, you have confidence, you have self-esteem, and you are working on it. All what we are doing is like taking it to another level. So it's also to be strong enough today that nothing can disturb your peace of mind.
Gabriel, I will show to our audience a few pictures of Mount Shasta, especially the house, because the house is really, really beautiful. Here we go. So I'm going to show you, and the rooms are really outstanding. So this is the house. There are some pictures of the surrounding areas, but I'm going to show just a couple of rooms, because the rooms are, I still don't believe it. So I'm going to show one room. I mean, I see this, and it sounds like too much. Has a beautiful crystal with the shape of the heart. There are some very interesting things. I'm going to show another room very quickly. So there are 2 more rooms. Oh my God, they look like a luxury rooms.
And I
honestly.
would like to share with your clients, Carlos, that I did a huge work to convince you to jump to that retreat. And I was like calling Carlos, and he was like, mañana, we'll see one day. And I was like, no, we have to do it. And you know what? This is the perfect timing to be in the mountain. Mount Shasta would be like beautiful.
Pristine.
That moment of the year. Yeah, beautiful. So it's also a change. It's very, I would say, it's a metaphor a little bit, so you're going to renew and rejuvenate again during this retreat. It's all about the timing, and I think it's the right timing to join. So if you feel called, you can jump into that adventure.
Last thing that I would like to do, well, when people receive the email or invitation, we have a web page, and there is a form at the very end that you can ask a specific question. Like I received one reply to the email that I sent this morning, and this woman, even though we have the program, we have the website, she's asking for more details. If you feel like it, you can email us, you can call us straight on the phone. All right, I think I don't have anything else to say today. I think we can wrap it up. Do you have anything else to convey to our...
I would say, like, if you would like to learn, and connect with, to receive informations, downloads, during this retreat, you're gonna learn how to go in a theta healing in a level of consciousness where you can connect to the whole and receive a lot of informations. We will be here like a facilitator just to guide, but definitely you will do the work. Okay, so it's not, hey, I'm showing and heal me or like fix me. It's no, you're going to be part of the process. It's a 50-50 thing, just to understand a little bit, the rule of the, I would say, the game, and you will find your answers. You will ask the questions. We will work on it, but we don't suggest anything. You're going to have the right answer and explore what's going on in your life, because it's all about choices and it's all about decisions. Life is about decision. So sometimes when we are stressed, when we are confused, we take a wrong decision, and we go in a different way. So it's good from time to time to do a reset, a factory reset, somewhere outside your comfort zone, outside your city, outside your family or friends, just disconnecting a little bit and learning something new. That's it. This is the idea.
Yeah. I would like to emphasize what you said. It's very important. We are not there to fix you. We are going to give you the tools. In my case, or removing energy blockages that doesn't let people get where they want, doesn't let people take the right decisions. But the important thing is what Gabriel just said, and I am very happy he said that, you are going to do the work. Why? Because if someone else does the work for you, when you don't have that person, you don't know what to do. And you're in a worse situation than at the beginning. So our work is to help you to find your answer. Our work is to help you to promote your self-healing. Not to depend on us, but that you, like Gabriel said just a minute ago, know that you have everything that you need. And we just have to discover it.
And also, I would like to add on that, Carlos, that it's we don't use any substance, so don't count on that. No weed, no pills, nothing invasive to your body. All we're gonna do is like breathing the oxygen on that mountain, doing some deep relaxation, mental imagery, using the sound, the music, the movement of the body to unlock, the body, actually hiking, doing some movements. It's not a crazy hike, okay? So if we are tired, we stop, we drink, we eat, we have fun. I have always a couple of jokes for that. Thank you, Carlos.
And another idea that you gave me this morning, we can do the group healing sessions during the hikes in nature. We'll see that.
Yes.
Okay, this is fantastic, Gabriel. So I think it's
Thank you so much.
all for today, right?
Thank
Okay,
you.
we'll see you soon.